Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elipa Sukma Cipta. I am from Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I would like to present my paper with the title is Analysis of Student Error in Solving Mathematical Induction Problem in Online Learning in the Era of COVID-19. My presentation component is background, method, result, and discussion, and the last conclusion. The first, I will explain my background. The emergency of coronavirus disease or COVID-19 has greatly affected all levels of society. So that the government has implemented an appeal for social and physical distancing. This condition requires all people to remain at home, whether they are working, worshiping, or studying. Teaching and learning activities that were previously carried out face-to-face are now carried out online. These activities need to be implemented to minimize the spread of the virus. Online learning can increase efficiency in the interaction between teacher and student and have a significant impact on learning outcomes. On the other hand, online learning has difficulties in terms of assessing learning evaluation to closed book exam. This happens because teacher cannot directly supervise student during exam and there is not adequate technology for this. One of the difficulties in assessing student learning outcome is in mathematics, which include mathematical induction. The process of proof in mathematical induction is clear and easy to do because it has regular stage of proof known as the principle of mathematical induction. This makes mathematical induction different from other proving technique that do not have a clear stage of proof. However, clarity in proof does not make easy for students to prove using mathematical induction. Students still have trouble proving it. In online learning, learning resources for students are available at home, namely textbook, notes, library resource from the internet, and so on, making it difficult for teacher to conduct closed book exam. One of the strategies that can be used to evaluate student proof ability with an open book exam is to package the proof of question in such way that the problem is different from the question given during face-to-face learning. Okay, next. The aim of this study to analyze student error in solving mathematical induction problem during online learning in the COVID-19 era. Method. This type of research in a qualitative with a case study approach. This research was conducted at the Department of Mathematics Education of UIN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung in the academic years 2020-2021 with the subject of this study were a student of the fifth semester of the 2018 class using purposive sampling technique, namely for student. The instrument used was a mathematical induction proof test. Result and discussion. The example of student answer sheet appear on the figure below. Based on the figure, Student answer so that there was a concept on procedure error. A concept error occur when complicated operation 9 subtract 8 added by 1 equal 9 subtract 9. The concept of basic rule of doing mathematical calculation is that if in mathematical sentence there are addition and subtraction arithmetical operation, then what is done first is arithmetic operation that are in front. Student does not do this, but does the arithmetic operation which is behind first. For procedural error that occur from the basic induction stage, which is considered correct by student directly to the conclusion stage, even though according to mathematical induction stage after the induction based improvement improve correct. The next step is to prove the induction step. In conclusion, students are also inaccurate in making their statement. Students should write because P1 is true and Pn added by 1 is true, so Pn is true. Based on the result and discussion, we can conclude that in doing math induction question, there are two mistakes made by student is proving them, namely misconception and procedural error. Misconception made by student are misconception of the basic rule of doing mathematical calculation, misconception for operating division, and error in algebraic concept. In procedural error, students have difficulty connecting the concept with the step of the process or procedure. Okay, I think that all my presentation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.